Have you ever stopped to ponder how the thoughts swirling in your mind shape the reality you experience? Let's embark on a journey to explore this powerful concept. It's like diving into the depths of an ocean where our thoughts are currents that shape the landscape of our lives. Our perceptions, attitudes, and beliefs are like the tides that ebb and flow, influencing our actions and hence the outcomes we experience. Consider this. You're not just a passive observer in this world, but an active participant. The stage of your life isn't set by external circumstances alone, but also by the internal dialogue you maintain. You are just experiencing yourself in 3D. Your reality will be the same as your consciousness. In essence, our reality is a reflection, a mirror, if you will, of our thoughts and consciousness level. It's like looking at your reflection in a pool of water. The image you see is not just a mere copy of you, it's a reflection of your inner self, your thoughts, your beliefs. This brings us to a fascinating concept known as the mirror principle. The mirror principle, quite simply put, states that our external world is a reflection of our internal world. In essence, this principle insists that our internal state of being is directly mirrored in our external circumstances. It's like looking into a mirror. What you see is a reflection of yourself. The same applies to our reality. The world we perceive around us is, in truth, a reflection of our thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and ultimately, our identity. So don't believe just in the aspect and appearance outside of you and how your world looks like, but understand that the reality is just a mirror of what's inside. Let's simplify the mirror principle a bit. Imagine you're an artist creating a masterpiece. The canvas is your reality, and your mind, your thoughts, and feelings are the paintbrush. Now, the kind of painting you create depends on your choice of colors, strokes, and overall technique. Similarly, the reality you experience is shaped by your thoughts, feelings, and the identity you consciously or unconsciously uphold. Now, this is where the mirror principle encourages us to take charge. It nudges us to consciously shape our identity, to mold our worldview, and to actively steer our thoughts and feelings. It's about becoming the artist of our own reality, the author of our own story. But how do we do this? How do we become the artists of our reality? Well, one of the key tools we can use is affirmations. Affirmations are positive, empowering statements that we repeat to ourselves which help shape our identity and influence our reality. For instance, saying, "I am confident and capable," repeatedly can help instill that belief within us. Alongside affirmations, maintaining an unwavering belief in your desired outcomes is vital. It's about having faith that your thoughts and feelings can indeed shape your reality. It's about believing in your power to transform your world. You see, the reality around us mirrors the essence of our thoughts. The mirror principle, therefore, is a call to action. It's an invitation to take responsibility for our thoughts and feelings, and in doing so, to transform our reality. But how does one apply this principle in everyday life? The application of the mirror principle is as practical as it is profound. It begins with a shift in focus. Instead of dwelling on what's missing, we immerse ourselves in the appreciation of what is present. This shift from scarcity to abundance is not merely a change of perspective, but a transformative recalibration of our internal compass. Next, we bring our desires into sharp focus. We visualize them, feel them, and live them in our minds. We nourish these desires with unwavering belief, understanding that reality is but a mirror reflecting the essence of our thoughts. The mirror cycle is an integral part of this process. It's a cycle of self-reflection and conscious creation. It's about looking inward, understanding our thoughts and feelings, and consciously shaping our internal landscape. This internal landscape, in turn, gets reflected in the mirror of reality. By reshaping our internal landscape, we can reshape our external reality. You might wonder, what benefits does having conscience of the mirror principle bring? Well, let's delve into that. One of the key benefits is improved self-awareness. As you consciously shape your internal landscape, you gain profound insights into your own thoughts, emotions, and desires. This heightened self-awareness can be a game changer in personal growth and self-improvement. The mirror principle also fosters increased positivity. By focusing on your desires and present blessings, you shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. This positive outlook can significantly enhance your overall well-being and happiness. But the benefits don't stop there. The mirror principle empowers you to manifest desired outcomes. You must understand that reality doesn't need to change, but you do, in order to see the reality you want. As you align your thoughts and beliefs with your goals, you signal to the universe what you truly desire. This alignment creates a powerful resonance that can attract positive outcomes into your life. So, you see, the mirror principle isn't just a concept, it's a transformative tool that can alter your life by changing your perspective and mindset. Indeed, the mirror principle is a powerful tool for personal transformation and for shaping the reality we desire. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share with someone you think will benefit from this information. Subscribe our channel for more, and thanks for watching.